Hey, it's Ewan here, just with the latest portfolio update. So as you can see, we're kind of mixed across the board. We've got a few positions that are a loss, mostly winning positions here, and these are a lot bigger. So you can see 640, 560, 450, and then we've got these small losses here. But the new positions overnight are this USDCAD, which is selling silver, and we're also long Litecoin. So I'm going to quickly flick to Litecoin first. So this has been an interesting one the last few days. You've probably seen that all the cryptos crashed early in the week, and we saw our Litecoin spike up to 100 and then come back down, and actually closed out. I think it was this day here, 2 days ago, when it was at 74, thinking it was going to go a little bit further down, but it's broken back up again. And that suggests that maybe we might see a retest of this high at 100. Maybe this is going to kind of blow up again, like the cryptos have been doing in the last few months, and go to all-time highs. I really don't know which direction these are going to go, but I'm just keeping a flexible approach with these. I got stopped at my ETC short yesterday, but I've made up for it by long in Litecoin, so I'm actually pretty flat on that. And I'm still short Ripple because Ripple has been struggling as well. So again, another cryptocurrency, and it's just kind of been staggering on this area. I short it up here, and I expect this to go further because we've got a double top here, and we've kind of seen a little bit of a retracement, but it's coming back down today. So I think there's a bit more weakness here, and this is why I thought Litecoin might have a similar pattern. It kind of bounced up top. It might come back down if we see this kind of level hold. It might start reversing as well. So just keep an eye on these cryptocurrencies. Be flexible, and don't just assume we're going to keep going up because they've been going up for the last few months. These markets can crash pretty quickly, so if you need to close out, make sure you got a nice tight stop loss. And then the other new position, so this was a big move yesterday, is USDCAD. What happened was the Bank of Canada raised their interest rates unexpectedly. People thought we were going to stay at 0.75%. They actually raised it to 1%. And we saw this huge crash within a minute. So if I just click to the 1 minute chart and zoom out a little bit, you can see back here that, look, so we saw it dropped from 1.24 down to 1.2114, so about 260 pips before spiking back up. And on the daily time frame, we've seen this breakdown out the Bollinger Bands and kind of below this support level here, down at 1.2439. So we've got a test here, a test here. And if you look how much downside there is here, back only in kind of 2014, 2015, look how low we were. So I don't think this move's run its course yet. I think there's a lot more way to go here. And then the last one is silver. So I'm actually long gold at the moment, so shorting silver might seem a bit counterintuitive, but what we're looking for here is a kind of small short-term correction before the major trend reasserts itself. This isn't looking for a big bearish move. But you can see that it's kind of struggled around this region here, and we've had 3 days now where it's been pretty much stuck at the $18 level. So we're going to likely see some sort of pullback here, and then I'll probably close out at this kind of 17.5, 17.6 region when the moving averages cross, and then I'll be looking to buy into the long-term bullish trend. And as you can see, like if you look back on long-term charts, I mean this is quite a last 2 years have been pretty consolidatory region, but if you look how fast these run up, so back in 2010 when it ran from $18 up to 50, I'm expecting maybe a similar small version of that here. So if we run up to maybe 24, 26 level, I'm going to be buying into any strength here. So that's it for today. There's quite a lot going on at the moment, mostly with cryptos again, kind of crashing, coming back down, and then kind of recovering the last few days. But we're starting to see a lot more currency setups, FX setups, because we're moving to September now. Typically volumes start picking up a little bit. And also we've got a lot of interest rate announcements. So we've got the ECB today, or we'll have had the ECB today by the time I release this. So we'll see how that goes. And I'll be updating that on the page as well. Thanks for listening.